Hi viewers, this is Victor Godfrey, and once again you're welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you guys on how to promote your affiliate product links and start generating tons of free traffic and start making tons of sales as well. So let's dive in straight to the point. So for the purposes of this video, I'll be using Clickbank to demonstrate how we can actually do this. So the first thing we'll have to do will be for us to choose a product. So before choosing a product, you actually have to sign up with an affiliate program and then decide on which particular product you might be promoting. So for me, I'll be using Clickbank. So I'll just go straight up and log in into my Clickbank account. And if you do not have an account with Clickbank, so you can also sign up and create one here. But I already have one, so I'll just go straight and sign into my Clickbank account. So right here, I'm gonna sign in while I'm waiting for this to load. So once we get to this page, I'll go straight up to the affiliate marketplace, and I'm going to click on this link here, or icon rather. So right now we are on Clickbank marketplace. So you have lots of categories here. You can decide to choose whichever product you want to promote here. So for me, I always like promoting the health and fitness product, so I'm going to click on the health and fitness product right in here. Then once we get to this point, this is where you can actually choose product for you to promote. So the first page here gives us a list of products that is based on popularity, but for me, I always like going searching for products based on gravity. So I'm going to click on gravity here. So this is a list of products that have been listed out for us here based on gravity, and by gravity it means number of affiliates that have actually successfully sold this product and are making money. So like this first particular product here, this is the gravity for this product. It has 764.34. It simply means over 700 affiliate marketers have successfully sold this product and are making money out of it. So, but for the purposes of this particular training, I might just decide to go with any product here. So I've decided to go with this Leptitox product here. So the next thing you'll have to do will just be to generate your affiliate link for this product. And again, remember, I've always told you guys on my previous videos that if you're promoting any product, always try to promote a product that has an affiliate page. So this is an affiliate page here. What this affiliate page does, it actually gives you the resources or the tools to enable you to sell this product effectively. And by resources and tools, it simply means stuff like it could give you the keywords you can actually use to advertise this product. It could give you the images, the banners, the email swipes you can use for your subsequent email automations and follow-ups. So these are some of the resources you can actually use, but I won't go into that right now. So the next step will be for us to generate our affiliate link for this particular product that we want to promote. And how do we do that? We'll just go straight out here where you have this promote button. I'm going to click on it, and once we get to this account's nickname, it simply means the name you're using signing up for your Clickbank account. So mine is going to pop up here. Then if you want to put in a tracking code, you can actually type in anything here. If you're searching from Facebook, you can decide to type in Facebook here to track. But I'll just go straight to generate hop links. The hop link simply means my affiliate link for this particular product. So guys, this is my affiliate link for this particular product I'm going to promote. So now that I've been able to generate my affiliate link, what next am I supposed to do? So guys, once I've chosen the product I'm going to promote, the next thing I will do will be to go write an article in respect to this product so that I could be able to, publish it and at the same time direct people to go buy this product. But before then, I just want to show you guys something. If you go to Google, I've already opened this page. Once you come down to Google and type in this product, Leptitox, which is the product I've chosen to promote, you can see that a lot of people have written reviews on it already, and that's why they're on the front page of Google. So you can see someone has already written a review, and this was sometimes in June 27, 2020. There's another one. So a lot of people have actually written reviews, and these are the people really making generating lots of traffic, because most of their traffic here are organic traffic, and because they are on the first page of Google. And it will really be very difficult for me to compete with these guys, because they're already ranking and they know they are very, very good with their search engine optimization, also known as SEO. So what I normally do is I go to a particular website called Answer the Public, and this is it here. I go to Answer the Public, then I'm going to type in this same the name of the product here. Why am I doing this? I actually want to find out what people are searching online, the topic, the questions people are asking online in respect to this particular product. You can see here it says over 39 questions. Here has over 27 prepositions. So I'm just going to scroll down so we can be able to see how the kind of questions people are asking. So you can see this is a huge data here. You can see that people are really asking a lot of questions in respect to this product. So what am I going to do? I'm actually going to pick up one of the questions here and go write an article based on the question people are searching. So what I'm going to do here will be I'll scroll up, I'll come to this section here, and I'll click on data. So I should be able to see things in clearer perspective. So these are some things people are searching. Like this one says, can you buy Leptitus at Walmart? Someone also said, can you buy Leptitus in NZ? NZ simply means New Zealand. These are different than people are also searching for how Leptitus work. Leptitus how to take. So these are some questions I could actually pick up and go and write an article on it in order for me to link back people to my affiliate product. So what question am I going to answer here? I could just decide to go with this particular one. I could just say, what is Leptitus used for? So I'm going to pick up this particular title and I'm going to pick up this particular question rather, and I'm going to write a title or an article rather in respect to this. And I'm also going to publish it on another website that generates tons of free traffic. So what website is that? So guys, once I pick up a question that I've decided to go and write an article about, after writing my articles, I'm also going to give you a clue on how you can go about writing these articles. So I'll come down to this website called medium.com, and once you get down to Medium, you just click on your image, then you come to new stories. So this is where you're actually going to write. Remember, we're providing an answer to this. We're writing an article based on this question we saw here on answerthepublic.com that says, what is Leptitus used for? Let me just copy this. So once I copy this, that will be what my article is going to be on, and that's also going to be what my title is going to be here on medium.com. Then this is my title. I can just capitalize this. What is Leptitus used for? So once we're done with this, then here is where we're actually going to put the article we wrote about this product. So how do we go about writing this article? So what I normally do it the ethical way. I just don't copy people verbatim. I go make a research on Google, find out what people have already written in respect to this particular topic. Then I'm going to rephrase some of the words. Then I'll usually like to keep, if there are places you have bullet points or key points, I try to keep the key points, retain the key points in my article, but I try to practically rephrase some of the words here so that it will be different from the published ones on Google. So let's take a look and see some of the things you can actually do on how to write your article. So right now I'm on Google. I could just decide to paste the question I copied earlier on that I want to write an article. So what is Leptitus used for? So I'm just going to search for this and see if someone has written something like this in Google. And obviously a lot of people would have written something or something close to it. So I've not really seen anything that has this particular title, what is Leptitus used for, but I can see stuff that has to do with reviews. So I could click any of this supplement, any of these reviews here, and from there I can also get a clue on what the product is. Then I can also, try to get some ideas on what to write about what the product is being used for. So you can see this says Leptitus is a weight loss supplement pill that helps your body burn fat instead of store it. So this is not one of the answers to that particular question. What is Leptitus used for? So this is a clue. This definitely, I'm going to copy this and keep it somewhere and keep on researching until I get sufficient articles, points that I can be able to use to write my articles. You can see here it's also giving you some bullet points that I talked about. The pros: helps to burn stubborn fat that doesn't burn away easily, regulates leptin to aid a variety of issues outside of weight loss. Then it also gives you the cons, like some of the disadvantages here. So I'll just extract some points, vital points that has to do with this product, and from there I could recreate what exactly this product is used for. Then I'll now go back to my medium.com page where I'll be writing my article. So for demonstration purposes, I could just copy this. Just want to show you guys, because the whole question is here. I mean, the title of this particular video is how to promote our affiliate product link. So I'll just copy this, then get back to Medium where I'm writing the article about. So I'm going to paste this here. Let's assume this is the article we've written. Of course, it's going to be extensive and very, very informative as well. So once I've finished creating this, so, you know, a lot of people post their affiliate links on some platforms and they get banned. Sometimes their articles is being taken off, or sometimes they get completely shut down. But Medium.com actually allows you to publish publish your affiliate link, or inside your affiliate link in the articles or whatever thing you're writing here. They allow that, but on one condition, that you must actually disclose that you are, or whoever that purchases or clicks on the link, that you're going to, and they make a purchase, that you're actually going to get some commission. So Medium.com actually wants you to give a full disclosure that this is an affiliate link and that you'll be making some kind of commissions if someone decides to click on the link and make some purchases. So once you display those disclosure, or you reveal those make those disclosures, Medium.com does not have a problem. Then you can go ahead and affix your affiliate link. So, and this is how you do that. So let's assume I want to put my affiliate link for this particular product now. So this is where you highlight it. This is where this particular icon here, this is where you put in your link. And I remember this is my affiliate link for this particular product. So I'll just copy it. You can see it's a Clickbank product. So I'm copying it. Then I'll come back to this Medium.com. Let me re-highlight this again. Then this is where I put my link. So once I put my link here now, it's clickable. So you can see once I put my icon here, it's clickable. And whoever that clicks this, it takes you to the affiliate product where you make the purchases. And this is where Medium.com wants you to now disclose fully that any clickable link here could be affiliate links, and if they should make a click on it and make a purchase, and definitely you're going to make a commission. So you have to make that disclosure fully, so that people, your viewers or your readers, will actually understand that part. So, but this is not actually the right way to do the marketing, because if you're sending people directly to your affiliate product, mind you, you're getting tons of traffic, but yet you're not capturing their lead. So what I normally do, I don't send traffic to my affiliate link directly from here. What I do, I send traffic directly to my Optin page, my capture page, where I'll be able to get their email address and get their name and get a lead. And how do you do that? So guys, what I normally do, just like I said, I don't send people directly to my affiliate page or sales page. What I do is that I actually send them to an Optin page. And this is the Optin page where I normally send them to. So this enables me to be able to capture their email, capture their first name. So once they provide this information now and they click here, then it will now take them to the sales page where I'll be making my sales. And I just want to let you guys know that this is a particular software I use. This is a business tool called the Builder All Business Tool. I use this particular tool for different business purposes. For me to create my Optin page, this is a particular tool. Inside the Builder All tool that I use, this particular tool called the New Builder Cheetah and Drop and Drag Website Builder. So this is a particular tool I use in building my Optin funnel. And then there are other different business tools here you can also use for different purposes. Like if I'm going to use once I create my email ad, my opt-in page using this particular tool, then I use this particular tool here called the drag and drop email marketing automation for mailing box, and I use this to create my email automation. So once they opt in here, once they provide their name, their email, and every other stuff here, this particular tool now kicks in. This is where they start receiving my subsequent follow-up messages that will keep informing them and educating them, enlightening them about the product, so that they will be able to make an informed decision and go ahead to purchase from me. So let me just demonstrate to you guys. After creating the opt-in page, let me try. Okay, I just want to demonstrate on one of my email addresses. Then I put a name here, so you can see once they click on get instant asset, this is acting up now. I just want to refresh this. So it brings them to this page.
Which triggered a flood of what scientists call the weight loss doubling.
So you can see this is my affiliate page for this particular product. They've opted in, they've provided their information. So just like I said, I don't send them straight up to my my affiliate page. What I do is I send them to my opt-in page. So once they get to this page and click on the instant access, then automatically it takes them to my sales page here, or my product page, or my affiliate page. So, and once they opt in into my funnel, then my email marketing automation process will kick in. And guys, if you actually want to learn how to create your own opt-in page and automate your email marketing, then you will need to sign up through the link that I'll be providing below for the Builder All Marketing tool, and so that you can actually use it and also learn a whole lot on how to use this particular tool to build your business and grow yourself and make your sales. So guys, this is exactly how you will be promoting your affiliate link. Instead of spamming your affiliate link all over the place, the best thing for you to do will be to go to answerthepublic.com, find what people are searching on whatever product, then come down to medium.com and write an article in respect to that particular topic of what people are searching. Then from there, you will now link people for more information. Instead of me putting on lip, okay, you could just type in learn more. Then from that learn more, you highlight it, and do not send people to your affiliate offer directly. Just send them to a landing page, so where you can be able to capture their email addresses. And then from there, after you capture their email addresses, then when they click on enter button, it now sends them straight up to the offer page. So guys, with this, we've come to the end of the video. I wouldn't want to take much of your time, so I'll definitely advise you to go and start implementing this particular strategy right away, and start writing articles and post content, create a lot of content, so that you'll start getting tons of traffic to your landing pages, or if you decide to go straight to your affiliate sales page, whatever that works for you. But the whole essence is to utilize this method and generate tons of free traffic and start making sales right away. So guys, and I also encourage you to give a like to this video if you actually got some value from it, and also subscribe to my channel, and also do not fail to hit the notification bell in order for you to be notified when next I upload a value-laden video like this. So once again, thank you for watching, and see you next in my next video.